Welcome. In front of me is a DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, you can perform this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. So you can see I do have a pin set on here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So number one, we will need to turn it off by holding the power button, which I think it's this one right here. Let's try it again. There we go. And you want to select power off. And when the device turns off, which just happened, you want to start holding power button, and I believe it's volume down. Volume up instead of... So power button, volume up. Okay, and it boots us into fast boot mode, or boot mode this is actually. So in boot mode, let me zoom in. You can see while we are in boot mode, we have three modes like recovery mode, fast boot, and normal boot. Using volume up, you want to make sure that the first option is selected, recovery mode. And then press volume down to confirm that option. Next, we have Android with no command. So to get past this, you want to hold a power button, and while holding it, press volume up. And this takes us to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, you want to select wipe data, factory reset. When it's selected, confirm it with your power button again. And select factory data reset. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data. Give it a moment. And there we go. You can see data wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default. So again, press power button once more, and this will now reboot the device, continue resetting in the background, and when it boots back up, the process will be finished and we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.